I've had engineers come to me, at different companies and say, hey, I'd really love to get in product management. How can I do that? Well, like help, contribute in ways that, are helping the product managers out. I think one opportunity is very much like what I had the opportunity to do is become really good friends with the product manager that you're whatever project it is that you're a part of, and really, try to see if your input is valuable and work with them much more closely, and hopefully they'll see the value that you're adding there in a way that they're like, wait, maybe there is something for you to add, especially if you have the education and the background and the understanding of product management and how things work. You can talk about it in a way that they could see that as being helpful. Product managers are super busy, and we're always looking for help. I mean, I always take input from engineers when I work with people. I'm like, hey, you have an idea for this? It's like, because especially if it's something that they understand or they feel like they can contribute, and then if I feel like they do a great job, I mean, there is opportunities.